Hey kids, we're going to do a very short live stream today. So you're watching Guitar Quackery live. I'm still here. It's 1 a.m. I didn't get much work done today, to be honest with you. I came in the early afternoon. I came over here, but didn't get much done. I was exhausted. So what do we have? Well, we have this bass, and I'm going to plug it in for you. So it makes a very distorted sound. In the low frequencies. So usually when we get this kind of distortion, we look at the battery. We make sure the battery isn't, you know, kind of half drained. But that's not the case. I checked the battery. It's a brand new battery, and then I put a new battery inside. In fact, the owner already changed the battery. She already kind of knew that, I guess. And then I tried another battery also, full battery. So what's the solution? Well, we're going to change the preamp, see if that's the broken part. And I have one here. It's brand new. Wasn't bought off of eBay, nothing like that. It's brand new. So let's have a look. Here we have the same exact preamp. The pickups connect here, and yeah, let me switch cameras here. So this is where focus. Pickups connect, the switch connects to this. There are some ground connections to this. The battery connects to this, and then this connection goes here. Those are the two pots. And then here we have the output jack connection, which is this one, which I'm going to right now disconnect. I'm going to disconnect the two potentiometers. And then I'm going to disconnect the switch. And so what I think I should do now is just remove these first. Where's this thing? Here? Okay. So we remove the knobs, and then we have to remove the ring nuts and the washers. Okay. So they come off easily. Oh, come on. So when these things, so I call this modular repair because we're just switching a component. I'm not actually fixing the electronics. That would not be productive or efficient or cost effective. So here we have this. I need to disconnect the two pickups. And also the ground connection here, which is this. So I guess we have a connection to the bridge, which connects to the strings, and other ground connections. I think those are ground connections. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so this is the old one, and this is the new one. So the old one goes out, and the new one replaces the old one. Yeah, this one goes here. It's a pretty quick repair, I guess. Simple. So when you do this, you gotta make sure you don't move the solder joints too much. I'm just going to place it here and connect this and connect the output jack right here. Okay, so everything is connected now. And now we can flip it. Make sure it doesn't fall out. I don't really need to put these just yet. Why not? I kind of wanted to test it first. But I guess it's better if it's being held by the ring nuts. I mean, we kind of need to install this anyway, so. Okay, just one of them for now. And now we plug it in, turn on the amp. Let's hear it. Oh, so. So that's not what's broken. Yeah. So we still have that same distorted sound. Now, I said that I did check the battery. I'm going to check it again. So we check it again. And I have another one somewhere over there. Okay. I'm not happy about that, but it is what it is. So something, I don't know what else could be causing this. Not really sure. Okay. So that's interesting. I was sure that it was the preamp. What else would it be? There's no other active components. Yeah, man, I don't know. Okay, so here we have the multimeter. 9.01 volts. This should be fine, but like I said, I do have a brand new battery right here. We can test it with this one. It's brand new. And I already tested it with another brand new battery. I don't know where I put it. It was a few days ago. But all right, this one is brand new. I thought this was going to be a really quick video. Just swapping the components. And now it's evolving. Yeah, I'm not happy about that. So I did test the pickup directly, so maybe it's the pickup. Yeah, all right. So this is the new battery right here. I have it right here. Let's test it. .59, 9.6 volts. Okay, so I don't think this is going to make a difference. Same thing. So it must be the pickup then. So this is the blend. Look. So now this one's disconnected. So it's just this pickup we're hearing. Same thing. And now this one's disconnected and this one's connected. Same thing. Yeah, I have no idea right now what is wrong. What could be wrong? So these two pots are part of the PCB. So I'm going to disconnect this now again. Okay, let's remove this. Let's see. Okay, so I'm disconnecting it. So we know that this board is fine. I need to find the bad component. So this is the new PCB, the new printed circuit board. And we know it's good, right? It's brand new. So it couldn't possibly have the same fault as the one I just removed. So I'm going to remove the new one because we don't need to replace this part. And now this is the old one, right? They're the same. So I'm going to take the new one away and put the old one back in. Obviously, we're going to hear the same distorted signal. I mean, before I mix up the two pickups, I'm just going to mark off this one with a little bit of red. This one goes here. So that's that. And then we have these two connections. Okay. So I don't really know what I should do now. I need to disconnect components because what I did when the customer was here is I bypassed the PCB and I tested the pickup. You can use jumper wires and just test the pickup. You know, that's what I did. Both of them, and it was working. They were working fine without any distortion. So I thought, obviously, the preamplifier is somehow distorting the sound because there's nothing else there. There's a switch, two more pots. No idea what could be causing it. So I'll take the new battery out. It's a new battery. I sell these, obviously, so there's no reason to change the battery. The battery's fine. Yeah. Well, we don't have much. I mean, all we have here is, so this is connecting the two potentiometers. So if I disconnect this, I don't think I'm going to get a signal at all, but we can try. Nothing. I'm not sure what the switch does. So let's connect this back. And you know, by removing entire components and switching them in and out is obviously a way to not get involved in component repair, component being this PCB, because I don't want to do electronics repairs. So friends, I have no idea what's wrong. I see I have one viewer now. While we're troubleshooting this bass, I swapped the preamp because we were getting a really noisy output. And I did test the battery, I did test the pickups, and the pickups were working fine when I bypassed the PCB. So I assumed we have a bad preamp, and I did get a new preamp, which is this one, which is the exact same one that's here. And when I installed this one, it wasn't, it didn't resolve the problem. So what can we do? Okay, so I can disconnect one of the pickups, maybe. So this is the bridge pickup. I'm disconnecting it. So this pickup is now disconnected. And now this is the blend that activates this pickup. Same thing. And now when I can use jumper wires, again, which is what I already did. I mean, I don't really need to do this because I did that already. I just, this is the pickup, right? Connection. And what I did was I connected the pickup straight to the amp using wires, jumpers. And the pickup itself tested fine. So I assumed it was the PCB that was bad. And clearly, I was mistaken. So it seems like I bought this for nothing. Now I need to think about this. I don't have the answers. So I'm gonna have to take a break. So this was 20 minutes long. A job that accomplished nothing, unfortunately. So sorry about that, but this is how it is sometimes in repair shops. So I need to think about this, and perhaps there will be a part 2 live stream. Maybe, or maybe not, I don't know. Okay, thanks for watching, see you soon.